Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to unveil the secret of treadmill workout to lose belly fat. Wait! Before starting the video, I introduce you with Alpha-Lian weight loss supplement, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Treadmill is great for losing belly fat with the caveat that your treadmill workout is coupled with a good diet and proper self-care. Have you ever heard the saying, you can't outrun a bad diet? Well, although a good treadmill fitness routine is effective for fat loss and torching belly fat, your diet will ultimately dictate how quickly you see results. For example, running on the treadmill for 30 minutes can burn anywhere from 200 to 500 calories, depending on your weight and speed. How much should I work out on a treadmill to lose belly fat? In order to effectively lose belly fat on the treadmill, workouts should be between 20 to 45 minutes long, depending on your fitness level, routine, endurance, and current weight. On the other hand, if you're doing steady-state cardio, you'll set your treadmill to a speed you can hold for at least 30 minutes and continue running at that speed for a set amount of time. Will 30 minutes a day on the treadmill help me lose weight? Yes, 30 minutes a day on the treadmill is an excellent way to lose weight. Be consistent, watch your diet, and watch the weight melt off. 4 best treadmill workouts for burn belly fat. Number 2. Incline treadmill sprints. The more intense your training is, the more calories you are bound to burn, and as such, the more weight you stand to lose. Running on an inclined treadmill surface makes your sprints more intense, thus graduating it from a low-intense to a pretty high-intense kind of workout. Number 2. Inclined treadmill sprints. The more intense your training is, the more calories you are bound to burn, and as such, the more weight you stand to lose. Running on an inclined treadmill surface makes your sprints more intense, thus graduating it from a low-intense to a pretty high-intense kind of workout. Number 3. Incline run-walk intervals. The incline run and walk is slower than the treadmill sprint, although it's still a high-intensity exercise. For this treadmill routine, set the incline at about 2.5 t. Begin with a run at a pace you can maintain for about a minute. Then slow down to a walk for another minute or two. Rinse and repeat. Number 4. Treadmill sprint. If you're starting, sprint for about 10-15 seconds, then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for a few rounds depending on your fitness level. Whether you are using a treadmill at the gym or you're looking to get a compact treadmill for your home, it would be a great addition to your weight loss goal. Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat? Get Alpha-Lian weight loss supplement. Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like